importer and manufacturers of bolt, nut and fasteners. Now you will be not able to sell your product in the Indian market.
A significant statement by the Government, Quality Control, Order, 2023, which makes registration for these products essential. The order shall come into effect from 6 months after notification, or 9 months for small enterprises and 12 months for micro enterprises. Violation of this order shall be punishable as per BIS Act 2016.
But no need to worry, the Fusion Compliance Services are here to help you out. Here is some details which you need to know. List of products covered under the BIS.
Step for BIS, ISI Certification.
Welcome to Fusion Compliance Services. Fusion Compliance Services is an electronics and IT compliance services providing company. We help the IT and telecom equipment manufacturers to get their products certified to meet all the compliance requirements as per the Indian government. Contact to Fusion Compliance Services, get your product certified immediately.